Hey guys, I just want to remind you about our December 1st live feed. It's kind of a big deal. The link is already up. You should go click on it now and set a reminder so you don't miss it. We're going to be giving away a prize every 5 minutes. That's right, every 5 minutes. The link to our live feed is already available down below in the comments section as well as in the description of this video. To enter the contest, you also have to click on the contest links and fill out a ballot this time. The reason we're doing that is so people can enter during the live feed if they haven't already entered. Get in there, click the link, set your reminder, enter the contests, and check it out. December 1st, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. Be there. And I almost dropped my phone. I almost tripped getting in the truck.
Today's the first day and it started an hour and 15 minutes ago.
Okay, I guess we'll find out when we get there.
Yeah, but it's on an older street in the city, so the house is older. I don't think you can get, well, one of them said you couldn't get through the front. Oh, isn't this a cute house?
Change batteries here.
Look at the windows up there. Isn't that cute?
I can't see.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, quit messing around. Let's go. Oh, and these. Oh yeah, these are nice. And these ones are plaster.
Oh yeah.
You hold those. Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Do you need a cowboy hat?
I don't know if need is the word.
No?
No.
Yeah. Have a good day.
See you.
Hey guys.
Good luck with your hunt.
Thanks, you too.
Are you coming?
Yep.
Okay, because it's hot. In the car,
No, you're not supposed to leave your wife in the hot car.
It's just dogs.
Oh, it's just dogs? Oh, what?
You're allowed to leave the wife? Oh, okay. Good to know. No, you're allowed to. It's just dogs.
Oh,
Dogs and
yeah.
children, you said.
I didn't know that. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
It's a cooler.
It's pretty neat.
That is pretty neat.
Would we ever use it at our party?
We might. Like, it's all intact and everything.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like there's any cracks or anything.
We don't have a price on it, so make it off.
Oh, it's heavy. Heavier than I thought it would be.
I like it.
Yeah, I do too.
I guess it depends what you value it at, or what range you're looking.
I was looking around 15.
Okay, well, and let's see, what are you thinking on the stuff we've got in our hands?
I think there was stickers on one of them.
Oh,
Yeah, on one of them I think I saw.
On mine.
oh, is that for the pear?
Pair for
The pear is $1.
Okay, and then these guys.
50 cents.
Okay,
That's pretty reasonable.
Yeah.
$2.50.
yeah, that's very reasonable.
Those are fridge magnets for food.
Oh, holy cow!
Yeah. Oh, I got it.
Would you go 10?
I'll take 10.
Okay,
Good deal.
we'll use it.
Yeah.
put that piece of wire on there so I won't lose the lid when it's in the back of the truck.
Good call.
Yep.
Fly away on me.
Good call. No, that is great.
It's an oldie.
Mm-hmm.
It's probably one of the.
Thank you.
Didn't buy it for
He's
nothing.
thinking.
Keep it cold.
Yeah.
Well, we parked out on the street too, so
Oh,
we got
yeah,
a little
right.
walk.
I'll carry one side if you want me to. Yeah, just.
Thanks.
Done.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
See ya.
You too.
Where did we come in? This way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty nice.
That's cool.
Yeah, I like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a cool thing.
It is.
Yeah.
You thought it was heavy without the stuff in it.
It's surprisingly heavy,
It
hey?
is. Can you unlock the truck?
Oh, yep.
Or should we put that on the floor maybe?
Yeah. I think if you can. Kind of on its side, maybe.
Move my camera bag.
Or,
Come on.
oh, there you Perfect. Yeah, that won't go anywhere.
Okay,
Okay.
on to the next.
Yes. Well, I wish they had more stuff.
Yeah,
Really good.
it was. Prices were great.
Okay. You can have something nicer.
Yeah, I might have a swig. Getting thirsty.
I don't think I backwashed it yet.
31 Celsius.
Wow.
It's hot. Know anything about this next sale?
No.
Other than the fact that we're pretty much there?
So there's two. I think there's two. Yeah, there is side by side. And there was a picture of a fur coat. I couldn't tell if it was real or not, but it looked nice. And there's furniture, and it was on yesterday, and it's also on tomorrow.
All right.
Okay.
Well, let's check them out.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi. Isn't that nice, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Similar to the one
Gotta
we
fit.
got. How much are you asking for it?
$300.
Okay.
That breaks my heart because I paid $5,000.
Oh, I'm sure. I know
I
they
believe
were
it's-
incredibly expensive.
Oh.
Are they for inside or outside? Does it say indoor? Don't open it. It's not open. There's 6 in there. It must be for inside.
Only logs for my fireplace.
Is it for inside or outside?
For log burn.
Sometimes they're not for inside.
Yeah, but those ones are.
These are inside?
Yeah.
How much are you wanting?
I think I paid $10 a box. How about whatever you'll give me?
I don't know. What do you think?
I think you can get them for...
How about both of them for $10?
You got it.
Is that what you were thinking?
I was thinking 5, so...
Both of them for 5?
Yeah.
Oh. There's quite a few in there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
I think, yeah, there's 6 and 8.
Yeah,
that's
that's a lot of them. Yeah, that's great. We'll burn them.
Yep.
Thank you.
Not till winter.
Yeah, yeah. Not today.
Yeah.
Roast for that.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, bye-bye.
Gonna open the door for me there, babe?
Yeah.
Ooh, they're heavy.
I bet. So that's like less than $1 each.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Okay.
Hey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a good deal.
I think so.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, so just the fire logs.
But that was a good price though.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Not as good as the one I can't believe I didn't.
Ah, well, you win some, you lose some.
Yeah. It's a fair price. I'm not sad about it. He might have said no. Anyway.
Okay, I just missed my turn.
Oh.
Missed my turn!
That happens like weekly.
Yeah. Okay, it is hot and I need a drink. I think it's time to stop for a beverage break.
Yeah. I'm with you.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, haven't had chips in like a month.
I just need a rock star. I need a nice cold rock star. Do you have them?
No.
Oh.
Or do I?
Fork it over. Let's go. Let's just put that right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice and cold.
Your sweaty head.
Oh, boy.
I'm not kissing your head. No.
Mm.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Here.
That is the stuff. Okay.
Okay.
Home time.
Yeah.
Home time. Go home on the range. $50 just seems so old.
I know.
I can't believe I'm 8 years away from that.
I know.
Like,
I know.
what the hell?
I was thinking about that the other day. I was like, oh, jeez. What the heck happened? How'd I get so old?
I know. Like, I feel like I'm still in my late 20s kind of thing.
I know. I said that to Dad, and I were talking about that. He said, yeah, you'll always feel like that. You always feel younger than you are. Unless you hurt yourself. Oh my god, that guy's trying to turn left there. Over a double solid yellow line. A single solid, maybe you can get away with it.
Okay. Into nature. Mm-hmm. Oh, here comes the fuzz. And I don't mean the cops.
Yeah. Not the popo.
No. Not the 5-0.
No. Feel my wrath. Right, honey?
Absolutely.
You know the wrath.
Oh, I know. I do not like the wrath.
No. No one likes the wrath.
No.
No.
The wrath is bad.
Yeah.
Very, very bad.
Yeah.
Hey guys, now is a perfect time to get down there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit those bell notifications, and give us a like. And we'll see you next week. On to the next.